Okay, so now let's start with our model evaluation. So let me create another file inside resource folder. I'm going to name it as 05 model evaluation. Okay, so select the kernel and let's execute the same code. So the first thing, let's update the config.yaml. So this is my model evaluation config. Okay, it will create a folder called model evaluation, and inside that it will save the metrics. Okay, you can see the metrics actually will be getting the accuracy score. Okay, will be saving inside this metrics of JSON. And apart from that, this is my test directory because I need the testing data to perform the evaluation. And this is my model path. Okay, like the current model we have trained. Now let me create the entity. So this is my entity. You can see I'm initializing all the variable as well as the target column. Then now let's create the configuration manager. So this is my entire configuration manager. You can see only this part will change. Okay, it will return these are the variable. After that, I will create my component. So here I'll be calculating actually mean squared error, mean absolute error, and R2 score because this is a regression problem statement. Okay, so you can see this is the code. So here I've created a function separately called evaluation matrices. It will take the actual value as well as the predicted value. Based on that, it will calculate RMSE, ME, and R2, and it will return. And you can see it will save the result inside this method. So it will load the test data, load the model. After that, actually, it will do the prediction and it will pass inside this method, that means evaluation matrix method, and it will return you this score. And this score actually will be saving as a JSON. And how to save as a JSON? Because I think you remembered inside utility, we created one method called save JSON. I think you remembered. So this is what actually we have imported. I think you can see here. So save JSON. Okay, we have imported from the utility itself. So now let me execute. Now let's run the pipeline also. So see, it has done. Now if I open the model evaluation, this is the metric, guys, I got. Okay, so this is the RMSE, ME, and this is the R2 score. And again, I'm telling you guys here, I'm not trying to gain the good accuracy. Okay, I'm creating the pipeline. Later on, we'll be learning how we can perform the different kinds of feature engineering, different kinds of EDA. Based on that, we can get a good model. Okay, great. Now I think this is done. Now let's try to convert this notebook as our modular coding.